Compared to other sports, obviously basketball's the #1 sport here. I believe the problem before was there was no goal for young athletes, young kids to aim for. So there was no future in the sport. The thing I like most about the Tondo Kid is they show football so it's for everyone. No matter what facilities you have, you can still play football.
Ang football kasi importante sa mga batang Tondo. Kasi ang batang Tondo mahirap yan eh. Once na nagpo-football sila, pagdating nila sa university, pwede sila mag-aral as a varsity. Kaya importante talaga sa kanila yung sport ng football.
Gusto namin makapaglaro for the national team. May represent namin kung saan kami nagmula. May pakita namin kung anong meron yung Tondo football product. Para pagdating namin sa national team, nabibitbit namin hindi lang yung pangalan ng Pilipinas, nabibitbit din namin yung pangalan ng community namin na hindi lang puro gulo, puro away, pero magagaling din na football player.